As soon as an emergency replacement situation comes in, we're immediately thinking of the customer first.
In an emergency situation, having the space uncomfortable can impact business.
Speed is everything in an RTU failure because the impact compounds by the hour, not the day. The longer the unit is down, the more risk and costs stack up.
Lennox optimizes for speed to restore operations.
Contractors should trust Lennox for emergency replacement because we have made significant investments. We've invested in manufacturing with our new plant. We've invested in people dedicated to emergency replacement. We've also made investments in distribution and technology. And our customers can actually coordinate directly with that emergency replacement specialist and get a quote back within 2 hours. Having local inventory on hand and having CQQ gives our contractors the ability to make decisions faster.
Commercial Quick Quote is just another way that Lennox makes quoting emergency replacement jobs easier. Commercial Quick Quote is perfect for both commercial contractors and residential dealers who don't have time to wait on a sales rep to get back to them with pricing or availability, or if they're needing pricing and availability outside of normal business hours. If a unit is in stock, the unit can be picked up or shipped within 24 business hours.
We are serious about emergency replacement and want to be your choice.